Got fish on. Bite! Woo.
Hi, girl.
Nice little sea bass, kids. Pretty blue.
Ray wants some of my GoPro footage.
Alright.
Still fishing.
Three bars.
We used to catch them as little kids.
I'll bring him home and make my mother pants Brian.
My mother was a sweetheart. That was good.
Right.
He said, I'm going fishing.
Told my girlfriend that. She's already like, you need to have me now. Like, I know. I look at myself watching down the girl, I'm like, lumpy head. Different. Yep.
No way.
Half out of it.
Yeah. 7-foot plant in the back seat, filling up the whole car.
No contest or whatever. And if I didn't get in trouble for 6 months, they'd throw it out.
Yeah. Unlike my boss, who got caught